Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update your Android device to the latest version in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, if you are using any of the Android devices like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo and Huawei, any of those, you can follow the exact same step. Though first of all, you'll have to head over to the settings of your Android, and after that you'll have to scroll down all the way, and right here you'll be able to find an option of system update. You can tap on it, or you can simply tap on search bar on the top right corner of the screen and then tap search system update, and then tap on it, and on the bottom you'll be able to find an option of system update. Tap on it, and this is the app of system update that updates your system to the latest version. And now you'll have to go back, and right here you'll be able to find that, and you'll have to tap on it. Now right now it is saying that this system is up to date, and if I check the view update log, tap on it, that it will show me the updates of the latest version. When I updated my Android to the latest version on iOS, on Android 14. So if we go back, it is showing the system is up to date. And if I tap on those three dots on the top right corner, I can also find trial version and beta version and all everything like that. And whenever the update will be available, it will notify me, and I will be able to update from these settings. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions,